pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Custard version 3. For this you will need 9 fluid ounces, 250 millilitres of milk, 2 egg yolks, 2 dessert spoons of sugar, which is 20 ml, and some vanilla flavouring. First, separate the eggs. Put them into a bowl. Beat the eggs. Heat the milk. To just below boiling. Pour the milk over the beaten egg. Rinse the pan. Strain the custard mix back into the pan. Stir over a low heat until the custard thickens, but do not allow to boil. Add the sugar and the vanilla. Give it a good stir. And that's custard made, version 3. Add the custard. Let's pour some custard on it.